My hair woke up dusty, crusty, and needing a wash day. So here we go, jumping right into it with Mish Beauty's hairline. First product up is the Cleanse Sulfate-Free Shampoo. This creamy bottle of love gently and thoroughly removes product buildup without stripping hair and scalp of natural oils. I really love this stuff. As soon as I wet my hair enough, of course, and apply this product to my hair, it set up so quick and it lathered my hair, and I could definitely feel the cleansing products working. My hair just felt amazing. And one thing that I learned from of course washing my hair and watching a lot of tutorials is when your hair begins to define itself, that means that the shampoo is cleansing your hair properly. After rinsing my hair, we followed up with the Strengthening Protein Deep Conditioner, and it is made with boa protein and mango butter. This stuff made my hair feel amazing. It smells so good and my tangles were melting away so quickly. I applied this product to my hair and I didn't have to apply it all over first in order for it to work. I applied it, massaged it in a little bit, and the tangling started immediately and I had no problems at all. Ooh, y'all see them editing skills? I'm getting up there, y'all. One day at a time, we get a little bit better each day. After completely detangling my hair, I put on a shower cap, my lovely hot head, let that sit for about 30 minutes, and then I come back and I rinse my hair out. And y'all see, oh my gosh, this definition is instant. This is with freshly washed, conditioned hair, no product on my hair. My hair is curly, soft, defined. I don't need nothing else. But of course, I had to come back with my Lavish leave-in conditioner that I also love so much. So creamy, so soft. It is made with aloe vera and avocado oil. It is a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens dry hair. And last but never the least is the Quench Hydrating and Twisting Butter. This is made with cocoa butter and mango butter. This product is amazing. It's extra hydrating and it replenishes and revitalizes your hair. This buttercream can also be used with a styler to achieve define and moisturize braid outs or twist outs. I always use it with a twist out, but I am interested in giving my hair this braid out this time to see how well it defines my hair as well. Y'all, I ain't even gonna lie to you, this was probably the best first attempt at braiding my hair without having to go back and rebraid. But like I said, trial and error, and I'm getting better each and every time. So after doing those 2 big braids in the front, I am just going to reapply the leave-in as well as the Quench twisting butter to the back of my hair in these sections, and I'm going to do a couple of big braids back there just to give me a defined braid out in the back of my head. And if you're still watching and you watched this far, make sure that you hit that big red subscribe button and turn it gray so that you could be here for my next video. One of the key things that I was reminded of or learned in my hair journey is to make sure that I do not borrow hair when either doing twists or braids, and that ensures that once you take the braids down, there are no frizz. So yes, this is my end results. My back, I did a bunch of big braids like I said, and the 2 big braids in the front to just get a cute little look to last me a couple of days. What I love most about this brand is the slip that I get, like from each and every product, from the shampoo, the conditioner especially, the leave-in conditioner, as well as the styling butter, the twisting butter. I love all of their products. I love Mish's brand. I love the scent. I love what it does to my hair. I'm able to twirl my hands on the ends and get these cute little curls. Yes, so I'm super excited. So when I take down the back, just not the front, I'm gonna take down the back tomorrow, And yeah, I'll be back to show you guys my finished results. Next day, we are back with the polish hair and scalp oil. I add a little bit to my hands and I apply it all over my hair. Just to make sure that once I'm taking out these braids, I don't get any frizz. But overall, I love the oils. Nothing fantastic about it. It's just an oil, but it eliminates or prevents any frizz when taking out my braids. So you like it, I love it. But yes guys, taking out these braids, and I am loving the definition that I am getting. Y'all get into this look. Alright y'all, thank you guys for tuning in for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Beat you there. Bye.